do a quick Walgreens haul. Alright, so I got these. These were actually on sale for about, I think that was $4. But this is the last one on the shelf, so I could only get one. Of course, I got this big bag of peppermint because I have a candy bar in my house. Got these regular dryer sheets or Walgreens brand dryer sheets. I got this Orbit gum. I chew Orbit gum because, for one, I have braces and it's sugarless and it won't get stuck in my braces. I got this olive oil hair lotion, something that'll keep my hair from like drying out. And then I got two of these, two of the Olive Miracle hair growth oil.